Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about MS Excel function address. Address function helps in obtaining the cell address of a worksheet. The requirement is to provide row and column number and other element which we are going to explore in our today's session. In our example today, we have a data table in MS Excel sheet with some headers. In cell C6 under header row, we are going to write 6, and in cell D6 under header column, we are going to write 8. Now, let's come to cell H6 under header output, where we are going to use address function. Let's use the same. We are going to write equal to address, bracket open. Now, for the first syntax row number, we are going to link cell C6, which has value of 6. In the next syntax column number, let's link cell D6 which has value 8. Let's click enter. You will see result which is H6 with $sign. So using address function, we got a cell address which had 6th row and 8th column. Let's open formula again and see the other syntax of address formula. The third syntax in address function is absolute number. In this syntax, we can use numerical 1, 2, 3, 4 and use $sign as per our convenience. Using 1 will fix the cell entirely with $sign appearing in front of both row and column. Using 2 will fix row and column will become relative. Using 3 we will fix column and row will become relative. And by using 4, neither row nor column will become fixed and $sign will be removed. The fourth syntax of address function is A1. It will give us reference style. So there are two types of reference style we can provide. With 0, we give R1C1 style, and with 1, we give A1 style. A1 is predefined in MS Excel and is used unless specifically mentioned in the formula. Here we are going to use A1 reference style in the formula. Lastly, we have sheet text. Here, we can write the name of the worksheet and output will define the cell address along with the worksheet name. This can be quite useful when we are working in an Excel file with large number of worksheet. Similarly, in below row, we will change the input and see the change in the output. Address is the perfect word to mention this formula, since each cell can be considered as a house. An entire worksheet can be considered as a city. So that's it in today's session. If you find this session interesting and knowledgeable, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any query, then write the same in comment section below. Thanks for watching.